Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Anubhuti and I love to talk about everything beauty related. I love to do product reviews and I love to do a lot of branding content here on my YouTube channel in order to get use out of my existing makeup collection. If those are the things you are interested in, please make sure to subscribe before jumping into today's video. As you know from the title, today I'm here with my April month update for my Project Level Up. If you don't know what Project Level Up is, it is basically an eyeshadow focused, eyeshadow palette focused project pan, which is kind of combination of no pan left behind and pan those eyeshadows. This project was created by beautiful Sophie Alexandra here on YouTube. I will link her channel and also the community playlist and all the related details about this project down in the description box below, also the community playlist in case you want to check out other creators who do this project. So basically in Project Level Up, you there are levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So basically for each level you pick a palette and then you have to use each eyeshadow in that palette same number of times as the level you are in. So for level 1, each eyeshadow you have to use one time and you have to hit one pan. For level 2, you have to use each eyeshadow in a palette 2 times and hit level 2, and so on and so forth. So once you complete one level, you roll out that palette and then you randomize a new palette for next level. I have trouble hitting pan. I'm very light-handed when it comes to my makeup, so I have really it takes a lot of effort from my side to hit pan. So I have checked with Sophie and she was okay with it, so I'm doing a lighter version of this project. So instead of hitting pan, I am assigning 10 usage goal on focus shades. So for level 1, I am randomizing a palette and then I have to use each eyeshadow one time and then one focus shade 10 times. For level 2, I have to use each eyeshadow 2 times and 2 focus shades 10 times each, and so on and so forth. A lot of people reset the project at level 5. That is everything out of the way. I think most of the people reset at level 5. Some of the people also went beyond level 5 last year, and that was really exciting to see. But for me, I think I'm gonna go to level 5. I have done this project in 2023, end of 2023, and I went till level 2. And last year I started this project and I went to level 4, and then I gave birth to a beautiful girl, and then I could not keep up with the makeup and everything. So then after there was no progress after June basically. So in half of the year I was able to reach the level 4. So this year I think I will try to do reach till level 5 and then see if it is possible or not, but we are hoping for the best. Now, in my introduction video, I started this project last month, in month of March. And in my introduction video, I randomized an eyeshadow palette from my collection. And then this Adapt Cosmetics Unity palette was randomized as my level 1 palette. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful kind of eyeshadow palette. And this is how the color story looks like. Okay, let me hold it. So this is how the color story looks like. It's a beautiful palette. As you can see, there are multiple, like this is row for the mattes. There's not many options for the mattes, but Adapt is known for their metallics, and I think that's fine. I will also give you a little bit of, once I will complete the level for a palette, I will also give you a mini review of that palette, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is a palette that was my level 1 palette, so I had to reach for each eyeshadow one time, and then this was my focus shade, which was called Tranquil Tone, that was kind of a neutral tone, cool toned matte, and my goal was to use it 10 times. So let's talk about the progress so far. Okay, let me tell you, I have not managed to hit my goal of using this 10 times. Apart from that, I have managed to use each eyeshadow at least one time. So let's go shade by shade and then see. So first is Unison Utopia. This is one of my favorite shades from the palette. I love it. This is metallic, and this is, I have used it 3 times. the second shade, which is Tranquility, that is what I'm wearing today in my today's look also, both of the shades that I used one time. Shade number 3 is Rose Orchid. This is also I have reached for it one time. Shade number 4 is Serene Spirit. This also I've used one time. Then Balanced Beauty is also what I reached for one time. Then Egalitarian Emerald also I reached for one time. Then Petals also I reached for one time. This is also what I'm wearing today's look. The Peaceful Path also I've reached for one time. Serenade also I've reached for one time. Balanced Bond also I've reached for one time. This is what I have in my inner corners today. Then Tranquil Tone I reached for 3 times. Moss is the green matte I reached for one time. Mauve's Mist also I reached for 2 times. No, 3 times actually. Live a Little I reached for one time. Balanced Brown I reached for one time. So each eyeshadow I reached for at least one time. This eyeshadow I reached for 3 times, and this matte also I reached for 3 times. I'm not really a fan of the mattes in this palette, especially the tones, but it works. I do have to reach for these come out really dark in my skin, even this shade, so I have to use something else for blurring it out if I don't want to go for a intense look. Really hard pressed mattes, I would say. So I love the metallics. They are really intense. There is glitter fallout. If that is something you don't like about it, maybe you would like to go and do your face last and then your eyes first, but I don't mind it. It's easier to pick up the glitter flakes, but yeah, over the day, as the day goes by, you do notice a lot of fallout, but these stay really good even without the eye primer. You can see I'm at the end of the day, I'm wearing this makeup for more than 10 hours and it still looks good. No touch-ups. Only I touched up the lipstick. So yeah, that is about this palette. I still have to reach for this matte 7 more times in order to level up, complete this level, but I have decided to go ahead and anyways roll the level 2 palette, because most of the shades I have already reached for, and I do want to give myself a little bit of challenge, and I also wanted to kind of catch up my lost progress. So then I went ahead and already randomized my level 2 palette, so we are leveling up anyways, because I think I will be able to complete the 7 use goal on this matte easier. I hope so by next time. So then I went ahead and randomized a level 2 eyeshadow palette already, and I will insert the clip here somewhere. And then the palette that was randomized was Tarte Gift and Glam Collector's Set Holiday 2019. So this was kind of this had four quads, and then this reusable compact that you fit those quads in, and then you can basically carry it. That had like a lot of, and I have kind of decluttered all the shades and I chose the best ones because the quality was not so great in this palette. So then what I did is I just used it a lot actually, and then have decluttered the shades that I was not reaching for, that were not good quality, and just I made my best 5-pan eyeshadow palette with 1 cheek shade and kept it here. So these are the 6 shades now as part of this palette, and that's how it looks like. So then this is going to be my level 2 palette. So then my goal is going to be to reach for all these shades at least 2 times, and I have to pick 2 focus shades to reach 10 times each. And I think I'm gonna choose so that's how I'm going to count, like 1 2 3 4 5, and then the cheek shade I'm going to call as 6. So then I think I'm going to choose both of the matte shades from this palette to be my focus shade. So then shade number 1 and shade number 5 are going to be my focus shades from this palette for level 2. So that means I have to reach for shade number 1 and shade number 5 10 times each, and rest of the shades I have to reach for 2 times in order to level up. So yeah, that is it for today's update. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, have a good day, good night, depending on wherever you are, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.